It goes in. Yeah.
Spread it out.
Then you make more action.
They always say that.
Yeah.
You never do it anyway.
No.
I get told off afterwards. He's trying to film Stephen last night, and Stephen's really showing off.
Any more pizza?
Pizza? Was that last night?
I froze the last pieces. I thought either you'll come down to lunch and we'll use it up,
What kind
or
did
I'll
you
bring it up to you. Spinach and mushrooms.
And spinach and mushrooms?
But you come down, you can just pop it in the microphone, right?
Just put it that way, put it up there. I haven't got a microphone.
Did you have all these before me?
So reasonable, aren't they?
Yeah,
I obviously cut them shut a little bit.
and very well too.
I did cut them shut very well. When I first put them in, they all sprang out.
Very good story, isn't it?
I should have looked so stiff.
He's not even looking at you.
That's the
Could
time to do it.
you swing round on Rusty?
Is that focus like that or what? You brought out the best side of it.
I was told, oh yeah. Nice to have a natural pose there.
I realise that in the next 50 years he's going to be shown as a family photograph.
I've already seen one family photograph of Rusty with a mask on, haven't I?
Oh, wasn't that disgusting?
That's the only one I'd ever seen of him. When I saw him, that was quite surprising.
It's a jolly good mask.
That's the only photograph
Right.
I ever disappointed, weren't you?
I definitely didn't look what I thought.
He keeps taking pictures of the champagne bottle.
Is that my bald-headed grandhouse?
She wondered what British saw it.
Those are pretty buried.
He shut us all up. That's a true story.
True fact. Facts
Bridget,
of
I
life.
don't want to waste too much. Could you tell your dirty joke?
No, it is a very. Will you be offended, Mum? And you might have heard it. I know. It's a very good joke.
She's never heard a dirty joke.
Will you be offended?